So our raisin tin loaf has been proving at room temperature for that hour now, and it is time to do the first fold. Now we will be doing a series of 2 folds with an hour in between each, okay? I personally like folding out onto the table. I feel I can stretch the dough out a little bit further and develop that gluten network. You can fold in the bowl, but today I'm going to show you folding out onto the table. So, shower cap can come off. First things first, you want to then pop a little bit of flour onto your surface so the dough isn't going to get stuck. And you're going to want to use the curved side of your scraper to then deposit your dough onto the table, and you can go smooth side down, okay? Smooth side down onto the table like so. Making sure you've got everything from the bowl. A little bit of flour on your hand is going to help the dough not feel as tacky. And you're going to just flatten it out into a square or a rectangle, and we will then perform those series of folds. So this is what one fold would look like. You're going 1, 2, 3, like so. You're then going to stretch, fold the sides in a little bit, like so, okay? And then we'll roll over, and then using our hands in a V shape, going like this, one going away from you, one coming towards you. You're then just going to round off the dough once again. Don't worry if you've got raisins popping out, that's okay. So you can see now we've got a nice taut dough again, and that is one fold well performed. So back into the bowl we go. If it is slightly stuck to your surface, you're going to want to use your scraper to help you. I've got enough residual olive oil in there so it won't get stuck. Shower cap back on because we don't want that crust to form. Again, cloth or tea towel does the job as well. And I have got a timer here set for 1 hour. So hitting start, and that is when we will perform the second fold when this goes off.